Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Today I've got this Porsche 986 that we had the engine out for the IMS bearing. All done, back together, car's running now, as you can see. No engine light. There's no engine light here. Locked. Pretty much everything's working properly. Exhaust. Everything was clean, intake manifold was clean, pretty much everything was done properly on this car. A lot of stuff we actually fixed. And have a listen to this car here. That's the engine. I'm gonna play the video of the engine, car running with the engine misfiring before we took the engine out, so I can show you the difference. Alright, this is the video of the engine before we took it out. Engine light on. Smoke on the exhaust. Running rough. Starvation of air or too much air. Starvation of fuel, can be anything. This is another video I took before I took the engine out. Okay, we took the top cover off of this 986. Alright, this one here is just lying around like that. The hose for the actual oil dipstick has been connected by an actual hose clamp like that. Look at this one here. Look at that. Someone repaired that and then put that like that. It's already broken. Look at this hose here. Look at this hose just looking around like that. It's already broken. So someone had worked on the car before and then tried to do all that work. Alright, as you can see, there's a lot of someone have actually worked on this car before and caused a lot of problem and try to fix it without telling the customer. I'm not sure who it is, but if you look at the car now, totally different car. I've actually put everything back to how they are, to how they're supposed to go, sorry, on the actual wiring harness, hoses and stuff like that, all done. So the only thing I've got to do now is probably replace the battery, get a not too expensive but okay battery for this car here, because it's actually too old. The engine runs much smoother and nicer. The battery I gotta change, and need to get a blue slip for this car, so I can actually get the rego registered for the actual, the 12 months registration, and in New South Wales. So the next thing I'll do is next week probably get the rego done, the blue slip done, so the customer can pay for the registration online, and pretty much that's it. Given they might have to change the plate, and then so I can allow me to door test the car on the road, and once I'm happy with that, the customer can pick it up. Okay, but down a few things on the box here. This has already been broken, so it was really hard for us to actually bleed the brakes and things like that, because we couldn't take the wheels off because this is broken. So, but anyway, big difference from before. So once we get that done, and we'll move forward. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.